Domain expansion. I'm playing Frank Hide and Seek. You extend Kai or something. I don't know. Yeah, I'm sick. Hey. Oh my god, the sound is actually so loud. Really, let me actually like wait. Actually, it's loud for me, probably not for you. Oh, okay. Uh, hello. Can you still? Oh wait, let me check. Okay. Yeah, but Oh wait. Oh. There. Oh. Wait. Please, please spare my life. Please. I'm just a little boy. Wait, isn't this the MM2 map? Looks like the MM2 map. Yeah, I'm out of here, bro. Hmm. Okay. Nah, too obvious. Yeah, wait, this is the MM2 map. Someone tell me this isn't the MM2 map, bro. 'Cause if you don't think this is the MM2, Aslan, do you wanna play? Right, Aslan is my brother. What is the, uh-huh. Haji ka na? My little sister's just, uh, so back to backing the hacking of chillacking. And this guy is actually pretty. Oh my god, the hiders are for real like so bad. Like it's not even funny on how bad they are. Actually, so okay, I feel like. Wait, does anyone even see me? Okay, I think y'all can see that. The Yeah, y'all can probably see that. All right, he's away from me now. Yay. Oh, eh. Didn't think a round of Swing Hide and Seek could take so long. I've made like three other videos, but sometimes like my voice wouldn't be in it. The other time the music was so loud. That's why I turned down the music to like 0%. Wait, wait a minute. Never mind. Alright, I guess I'm gonna play like one, maybe two more rounds of this game. Azmi Amakawai. Uh, I'm not talking to y'all. Ooh, this is a decent. Uh, أقبل viewers توام. She's saying who are you talking to? So I just said my viewers. Anyway, I'm not British, but I'll speak in British. Just because British is British and not British, that's why, because the British is British and yeah. I don't, why am what? I'm so freaking foraging the blocking of hell, Jung. Cheung, 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 honey, money, mercy, money, we, he, ah, he, oh. All three of you, four of you actually are sitting down now. Um, you're not slipping. Yeah, okay. Slip. I slip. He. Slip. Slip. Okay, I'm honestly wasting all my slips. Oh dear God. Yikes. There's someone. There's someone. Okay, they probably don't hear me when I whisper. There's someone climbing up this tower. Let's get out of it. He's right there. Should I troll him? Indubitably, I should. Wee! Ah, 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 ah. Probably his mom talking to him. Wait, did I die? Oh, wait, no, that's not. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, he disconnected. Wait, why are there. Oh, never mind. Okay. Um, nobody's. Oh, dear. Okay, no, I hope nobody comes over that side. Frick, abort mission. She's right over there. Why? 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm a winner. Best hider. Pleoculum. It's been a long time since I've done a video. I usually do shorts. So actually I haven't also done a short in a while because actually I've never seen snow and at my grandpa's house it was snowing. Could you believe that? It was snowing. So because it was snowing, we went there. We were gonna spend like 2 days, three, just few days. But since the snowing got intensified, indubitably, my good say, intensified. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, since it got intensified, we couldn't really come back, and I didn't bring my camera and laptop stuff because I knew the internet wouldn't work there. And guess what? I was right. I think we need to be very quiet. Did you hear what I say? I said I think we need to be very quiet. Probably because wait, is my sound up? Oh my god. Y'all probably hear me just now because my sound was on 47 or 6. But do y'all like my avatar? Looks good, right? Does it? Does it look good? Tell me. Okay, let's just not Gold. The seeker's right there. By the way, did you hear me again? I said the seeker's right there. The seeker's right there. My God, she barely passed me. She's out? Okay, she's out. Whew. Why do you come so close to me? Slip. It sounds like a dolphin. Anyway, I there's only 2 hiders left. One of those 2 hiders include me. Um, uh, gulp. That doesn't sound like gulping. Actually, that kind of sounds like you gulping, like gulping water. Not you gulping water, but people gulping, someone gulping water. Okay. She sees me. Abort mission. There's like 14 seconds. Just abort the mission. Oh, abort it. Abort mission. Fast, speed activate. You can hit me. May God be with me. May God be with my soul. And I win with a little bit of shrines. Oh, how the Hackington of the Minkington of the Schmeckington of the little bigging danging shbabdadab the badoom the barato. Did I even pull that off? Oh, that was yes, wow. Ooh, extra string, permanent. Yeah. So it's kind of getting late. 10:54. About to sleep. So bye.